In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Freshbooks invoice. Whether you're new to FreshBooks or just need a little guidance on settling your accounts, I'm here to walk you through the process from start to finish, ensuring you're confident and capable every step of the way. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Invoices section of FreshBooks. When you log in, you'll typically find this section on your dashboard, and it's your command center for keeping track of all your billing activities. It's a great habit to regularly check this area to stay on top of what's due, so let's dive right in. Once you're in the Invoices section, you'll see a list of all your invoices. Scroll through and select the specific invoice you intend to mark as paid. This list might consist of numerous invoices, so take your time to ensure you've picked the correct one. Identifying the right invoice is crucial to avoiding any accounting confusion later on. Now, with your chosen invoice in front of you, look for the More Actions button, which might appear as a 3 dots icon, depending on your device or app update version. This icon acts as a drop-down menu, providing additional functions beyond what's visible at first glance. It's always a good tool for accessing more options without cluttering the main view. After accessing the More Actions menu, next, you'll want to select the option labeled Add Payment. This feature allows you to input the details of the payment you are making or have made, thus enabling FreshBooks to update the invoice status and your financial records accurately. When you choose to add payment, you'll be prompted to fill in various payment details. Here, take a moment to ensure everything is filled in correctly, such as the date the payment was made and the payment method you used, whether it's credit, debit, or a direct bank transfer. Each detail plays a pivotal role in the accuracy of your financial records, so double-check your entries to prevent discrepancies. Last but not least, go ahead and click on the Add Payment option, or in some versions, you might see a green checkmark to save your progress. Once done, FreshBooks will update the status to reflect that the invoice has been paid. And there you have it. Once these steps are completed, you'll have successfully marked your invoice as paid in FreshBooks. Keeping your accounts up to date not only ensures smoother operations, but also gives you peace of mind. Make sure to verify your payment details from time to time, and remember, the more familiar you become with these processes, the more efficient you'll be. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.